Hey, second live of today. How crazy is that? But anyway, this is, if any of you watched the videos, the 1,000 miler we did, at about 600 and something, 670 miles, I think it was, somewhere around that mark. Had a small accident and did a forward roll across a pavement. This is the machine. And what we have diagnosed, obviously you've got to remember this machine failed because it was under extreme pressure and it had already done several hundred miles before we started using it for the 1,000 miler, and it was completely modified, is that the board, one of the MOSFETs went, and then several in succession went, and that was a failure up a really steep hill, and it got really, really hot, and all sorts of things, and it failed. But when I did the forward roll, we've suddenly realised that it must have damaged the spare control board we were carrying with us, specifically for the 1,000 miler. While I'm in a different country, we could have got it out and just replaced it, which we did at the side of the road, but it didn't fix it. It acted all weird. It went wobbly. And so I've just spent the last day or so in spare time rebuilding this all back up because it's in complete pieces, because we thought it might have been a failed motor, but it isn't. So we're just going to go and check it now. So as you can see, one wheel, one way logos on it. It's done approximately just over 1,000 miles, this machine, all in all. So it wasn't new when we started the 1,000 miler. Oh, and she boots up. Got lights, camera action, lovely. Let's try it, shall we? This is the test of the. Here we go. Woo! Tire's pretty soft from where it's been sat doing nothing all this time. Hey, brilliant. So, appears I haven't fallen off yet. If you suddenly see the phone hit the ground, you know something's gone seriously wrong. But it feels all right at the moment. Does feel all right. Well, I think she's back. Look at this, dusty knees, lying all over the workshop floor. She feels all right so far. Please don't just suddenly shut off. Wow, okay. Yes, so as I was saying, it transpires that we used a brand new board out of my bag, which presumably was damaged during the forward roll on the pavement. If we decided then we can't use John's board as well, it's pointless just going through boards, so we went home on the train at great expense to go and try and find replacement parts back in the workshop. And if we'd used John's board, we'd have been on our way. It would have saved a whole day. In fact, we'd have finished the 1,000 miler a day early. Wow, okay, sweet. Well, for those who follow along with the 1,000 miler, you'll recognise this machine. Not as modified as it was, but she is back up and running after all these months. Look at her. Beautiful. See you later, guys.